Today you'll be doing your first self-assessment of learning targets for Physics 1. You probably have done self-assessments in other classes, but I want to go through exactly how I have you self-assess in Physics 1. So, to assess yourself, you're going to reply with which statement best describes you. So, if you are a novice, I'm a novice. I'm just starting to learn this and I don't understand it yet. So if I don't understand it yet, I'm going to rate myself a novice or a 1 on a scale of 1 to 4. I'm an apprentice means I can do this if I get help or if I look at an example. That would be a level 2 out of 4. The third one, I'm a practitioner, is I can do this on my own without help. So no examples, I can do this on my own, no help from anyone else. That would be a 3. 4 would be I'm an expert. So I can do this on my own and I can explain how to do it to somebody else, anybody else in the class. And so this one is where I would expect most people to be at the end of the unit. It's okay if you start at all 1s. This first unit, you may have learned some of the learning targets in Chem 1 or in biology, but most of the time at the beginning of the unit, you won't know the learning targets, so you can rate yourself as a 1. As you go throughout the unit, you'll be rating yourself a couple of different times, and hopefully you will see some growth and learning as you learn the material and go from maybe a 1 all the way up to a 2, a 3, or a 4. So right now, what I want you to do is I want you to look at the learning targets for the introduction to physics and graphing, and I want you to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 4. So 1 is novice, 2 apprentice, 3 practitioner, or 4 expert on the learning targets for that unit.